In our ladder of success, there will be a lot of challenges and failures. Nasa sayo na yon kung mapuputol yung hagdan mo kasi hihinto mo. Hi friends! For today's video, I'm so excited to show you the first free products that I received as a YouTuber. I'm so happy na tinuloy ko ulit itong pag-YouTube ko. At kung bago ka sa channel ko, I'm AJ Masangya. I do beauty videos, lifestyle videos, and accounting videos. Anyway, this is supposed to be an unboxing video, pero sobrang excited ko sa buhay. Binuksan ko na siya at pinost ko sa IG stories and my day. Here are the videos. Pero binalik ko naman ulit siya sa lalagyan niya at hindi ko pa siya binibigay kay Loves. Kaya buksan ulit natin. Take 2. Kasi hindi na siya surprise sa akin. Ayan. Couple ring. Ang saya kasi couple ring, yung first free products ko, masashare ko na agad siya sa mahal ko. Yung sa akin, yung mas maliit na singsing. Pero, ang maganda dito, adjustable naman. Buksan na natin itong isa, yung para sa akin. Buksan ulit. Here's the name of the ring. As you can read. Thaya Van Gogh Sky Design Handmade Drawing Ring. Adjustable naman siya, so kahit saan, pwede ko siyang ilagay. This ring is so perfect for me as a goal-oriented person. Whenever I feel so sad and down in life, I could just stare at this ring to get an inspiration. In our ladder of success, there will be a lot of challenges and failures. Nasa sayo na yon kung mapuputol yung hagdan mo kasi hihinto. Kung medyo sira-sira na yung hagdan mo dahil sa failures mo, pero makakaakit ka pa rin sa tuktok kahit mahirap. Kasi may time talaga na gusto mong sumuko sa lahat ng goals mo. Feeling mo hindi mo kaya, feeling mo sobrang imposible ng lahat. Pero ang kailangan mo lang pala magpahinga saglit, magdasal, humingi ng lakas at guidance niya, at higit sa lahat, matutong maghintay. Lahat binibigay at nasa perfect timing ni Lord. Paano ko nasabi yon? Because of the story behind the design. I'm just going to read it from the Apollo Box website. This artistic ring, ito yung partner, excited na ako ibigay kay Loves. This artistic ring represents the beauty and hardships we face while following our dreams. The blue midnight sky represents the sadness we endure when chances of our dreams becoming a reality fall through. Ito yung mga malulungkot na araw kapag gusto mo na lang itapon lahat ng goals mo. The cypress tree represents evergreen and reminds us to stay pure. The golden stars and moon stand for new dreams and new hope. When the pine trees touch the bright moon and stars, our dreams can be realized. And we are no longer afraid when we encounter lonely and hard times on the journey of chasing our dreams. Sobrang ganda ng message, diba? Palagi naman kapag may mga challenges, mga days na sobrang nalulumo ka, dumarating talaga yung araw na nare-realize mo na sobrang may pag-asa pa. Sobrang kayang-kaya mo naman pala talaga. Kulang ka lang minsan sa tiwala sa sarili mo. May days na marirealize mo rin na alam mong kayang-kaya mo kahit ano pa yung mapagdaanan mo. Alam mong makukuha mo rin yung gusto mo, yung goals mo. I'm so thankful for this ring. Thank you so much, the Apollo Box. Sobrang bagay siya sa personality ko. Ayun, nasabi ko na lahat ng naisip ko about this ring. Kasi dapat talaga unboxing siya na masusurprise ako. Kaso nga, sobrang excited. That's all. At sakto, mag-Valentine's na. Kung wala ka pang pangregalo, you can find the unique gifts you've been searching for here in www.theapollobox.com. Good news, free shipping here in our country, Philippines. Ngayon pa lang, pwedeng-pwede ka nang bumili. Punta ka lang sa website nila. You can also use my code AJ15 to get 15% off. Lalagay ko rin yung link sa description box below ng website at saka nung discount code. Hindi lang accessories yung makikita mo sa theapollobox.com. Sobrang dami. Ito yung categories: household, apparel and shoes, toys, food, office. Sobrang dami nila kaya marami kang pagpipilian. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me. Click the thumbs up if you like this video. Feel free to leave comments and don't forget to subscribe, my friend. 4,000 subscribers giveaway soon. Sana mag 4,000 na tayo para makapag-giveaway na ulit. Stay pretty! Bye!